Kicha, strictly for kids. Today we are going to do a challenge. We are going to guess the Pepsi out of these three colas. Thumbs up, Coca-Cola and Pepsi. So let's get into it. And before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get daily notified on my unboxing of toys, games and challenges. So let's get on to it. Today we're going to do a challenge. It is find the Pepsi. So here I have a Pepsi, a Coke and a thumbs up. So let's get right into it. So Papa, could you give me the first glass? And sorry by the way, I have cups. Please put it in my hand after pouring. The hand. Here, let's put it. So this is not. So this is a little, not that sweet. More fizzy, more the Indian flavor. I think this is thumbs up. Yeah, it's thumbs up. This is thumbs up. Could you put the appropriate bottle next to it? So the next one, please. Okay, let's do it. This is the Pepsi. I'm not sure. Give me the next one. I'm not sure. See my yellow eyes. Stare at me. So this is Coke. So the one I had before, after the thumbs up, was the Pepsi. Then the last one is Coke. So can I remove my eyes?
Yes, Kicha.
Was I correct?
What was the first one? The first one was thumbs up.
Then the second.
Second one you said?
Coke.
No, you said
Pepsi.
Pepsi. You said Pepsi.
I think you. So thank you for watching Jam with Kicha. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell next to it to get notified on all my unboxing of toys, games and challenges. So I'll mix up two Cokes. It's going to be super hard. You have to guess two Cokes that are mixed. It's really hard, I know it, but let's just try. Okay, mix both of them, Papa. It's gonna be hard because if you're Coke and Pepsi, I'm dead. Finished? Yes. Thumbs up. Pepsi.
Are you sure? 4, 3, 2,
I'm sure.
1, go. You're sure?
Yeah.
Really sorry, Kicha. Open your eyes and see. Yay! You're right!
So over here we have the Pepsi and the 7-Up, thumbs up. And the winner gets the Pepsi. No, actually the Coke. I love Coke. So that's a funny challenge and that's why I loved it.